Hi, Mark Reedy here. Just wanted to quickly go over this report called Completed Work Orders, Parts and Labor Combined. You can find this report by going to Reports, and then More Reports, and then choose Report Type Work Orders, and then choose the Completed Work Orders, Parts and Labor Combined. So basically we're going to choose this, and if I just choose a specific piece of equipment here, I'll choose this one here and click on preview. It's going to show me a lot of detail that you would see in the actual work orders themselves. So it's a very detail oriented report. Up at the top you have the work order number. You have the short description. It only takes one short description from the work order, and it's typically the last short description that's in the work order. And if there's no short description like this one here, then it's not going to show up. Obviously you're not going to have a description of what the work order was, but you've got the description for the labor that was done on it, who did the labor cost. You're going to see the part numbers that were installed, the part descriptions, the quantity of those parts, the total cost for those parts, and you're going to see the total cost for that particular work order for parts, and the labor cost for that work order, and then the combined total parts and labor costs right at the bottom there for each work order. And then at the end of that section for that particular piece of equipment, we're looking at 90412. If I go to the end of the report here, it shows us the grand total parts and labor costs and total costs for that particular work order. Close that. And so that's just looking at one piece of equipment. Now you could look at your whole fleet if you wanted to by just removing that and not choosing a work or equipment number. But you might want to put a completed date on there because the report may take a while to generate if you have a lot of work orders that you need to look up. We'll look at everything done in 2018. We'll say October of 2018 for the entire fleet. So we'll say here, we'll go to 10/1/2018, 10/31/2018, and then we'll click preview. Now this report is very intense as far as the queries that it runs. So you see this pop up before the report displays that you can cancel out if it's taking too long. So here we see the first piece of equipment in this is listed as 90409Y2, and we can see the total cost for that particular work order here and the total cost for that piece of equipment down here. It carries it over to the next page down here with that total cost, and then you can see the next piece of equipment, 90412. You can see the work orders for that, and you can see the total cost for that piece of equipment. Looks like just 2 work orders for that one. And then we go to this one, D103. So this is just for that date range. If I go back to the beginning of the report, we can see our completed date from and to here and how we're sorting it. It's being sorted by the equipment number field. And if I go to the very end of this report, we can see the total work order, labor and parts cost for the month of October 2018. In this particular case, we had $51,380.40. We can see the labor cost here. If I go back one page, it's going to see the report grand total parts cost. So we didn't have quite enough room to fit it all on one page, so it carried over to this one final page here with those grand totals. All right, hopefully that helps. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. Take care.